Hi guys, this is Glitchy Gaming. Let's play some rivals. So guys, I'm just trying to make money. So if you can subscribe, that would be a thanks if you did survive. Subscribe. Yeah, I just started YouTube and I really want some subscribers. So I do have some subscribers, but not that many. So if you can subscribe, that would be amazing. So yeah. Now let's see if we can win. It's 2-0. We might win. Wow, 3-0. Come on, we can win. We can win, guys. 3-0. It's 3-0. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh, I'm nearly dead. Wow, 4-0. One more win. Come on. We can do this. No, it's 4-1. I was so close. Come on, guys. We can do this. No. Guys, it's 4-2. We can do this. Come on. No. 4-3. Come on, guys. We can do this. I heard if everyone liked, then it makes me stronger. So it's easier for me to win. Wow. Okay, 5-3. I can't believe I just won that. Now let's play some Subway Surfers. Let's see if we can do some levels. And yeah, do you like my skin, guys? It's like this robot thing. I'll show you more when I finish this round. But all you have to do in Subway Surfers is just you have to run from like the police, and then you have to try to avoid the trains and try not hit the trains, because if you do, that's very bad. Oh, you know what I'm gonna save me. I just saved myself. So